Hello students, today we are going to do the chapter rational numbers. This chapter is the very first chapter of class 7th. On today only we are doing the introduction or the basic concepts of this chapter. I hope you all will listen to me very carefully and try to get all the problems, all the solutions of your queries. Firstly, we will do this what is the system of natural number. At first we must have to know about the system of natural numbers. Natural numbers. Which are natural numbers? First of all we must have to know what are the natural numbers. So the numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called the natural numbers. So what do you get? That the numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on infinitely, they are called the natural numbers. Secondly, we must have to know what is the system of whole numbers. System of whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. Students, you must have to know that the numbers which start from 1 are called the natural numbers and the numbers which start from 0 are called the whole numbers. These are the two concepts I hope you must have understood. Thirdly, we are going to know about the system of integers. What are integers? System of integers, and we must have to know what are integers. Integers are the numbers which start from minus, like for example 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. From the minus side, from the plus side, these numbers are infinite in numbers, so these numbers are called the integers. What do you get? The numbers which start from minus, the negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers all are combinedly known as the integers. The fourth concept of ours is fraction. What is a fraction? We must have to know the numbers a part of a whole is a fraction. What is a fraction? A part of a whole is a fraction. And then fraction. What is a fraction? Actually, fraction is a ratio. Ratio means anupat. Fraction is the ratio of two natural numbers like 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and so on. These are the fraction. What is a fraction? For example, we are having a circle. We divide the circle into 4 parts. Circle is almost 1 and we have divided into 4 parts. If we shade any one part, that is a part 1 out of 4. Shaded 1 out of 4. So what is a fraction we have prepared? Fraction is 1 by 4. This is the shaded part and that one is the total parts. Actually it is a one circle, but it is as it is having 4 parts, so it is divided into 4 parts and we have shaded one part, then our fraction becomes 1 by 4. Always if we want to do the fraction of shaded part, then we must have to write the shaded part on the upper part, means as on the numerator side, and the total parts on the down part, that is called the denominator side. When we combinedly write them, this is called the fraction. If we want to write down the fraction of unshaded parts,